Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We all know how crazy life can get. Whether you're juggling work deadlines, school projects, or family commitments, it often feels like there's just not enough time in the day to get everything done. Between work, school, family, and everything in between, sometimes it feels like there's not enough time in the day. And let's not forget about the endless errands and unexpected tasks that pop up out of nowhere. And let's be real, after a long day, the last thing we want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. The thought of preparing a complicated meal can be overwhelming when all you want to do is relax and unwind. That's why I love quick and easy recipes. They save time and energy, allowing you to enjoy a delicious meal without the hassle. You know, the kind that doesn't require a culinary degree or a million ingredients. Just simple, straightforward recipes that anyone can follow. We need meals that are fast, delicious, and satisfying without all the fuss. Meals that bring the family together and make dinner time enjoyable. That's where my special twist on Fritos Pie comes in. It's a quick, easy, and incredibly tasty dish that everyone will love. It's a Southern classic that's near and dear to my heart, and I'm so excited to share my version with you. This dish brings back so many fond memories of family gatherings and comfort food. Trust me, it's a game changer. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So, let's ditch the takeout menus and get cooking. Not only is it healthier, but it's also a great way to save money and spend quality time with loved ones. This recipe is so easy, you can even get the kids involved. It's a fun way to teach them about cooking and create lasting memories together. Get ready for a flavor-packed meal that will have everyone asking for seconds. Your family will be thrilled, and you'll feel like a kitchen superstar. So grab your ingredients and let's get started on this delicious journey together. Now let's talk about Fritos Pie. It's one of those dishes that just screams comfort food. I have such fond memories of enjoying it as a kid. It's simple, satisfying, and always hits the spot. But my version? Well, it's got a little extra something. We're talking layers of flavor that will make your taste buds sing. We're using pantry staples and a few secret ingredients to take this classic dish to a whole new level. Get ready for a symphony of textures and tastes. We've got crunchy Fritos, savory ground beef, melty cheese, and a touch of spice. And the best part? It all comes together in under 30 minutes. So grab your aprons, and let's get this Fritos Pie fiesta started. I promise, once you try this recipe, it'll become a regular in your weekly meal rotation. All right, y'all, let's break this recipe down. Today we're making something that's not only delicious, but also incredibly simple. It's a dish that even the most novice cook can master with ease. So if you've ever felt intimidated by cooking, fear not. This recipe is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Don't worry, it's so easy. Even if you're a beginner cook, you'll nail it on the first try. Cooking should be fun and stress-free, and this recipe is designed to be just that. So, put on your apron and let's get started. First things first, gather your ingredients. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. Plus, it ensures you won't be scrambling to find something mid-recipe. You'll need a bag of Fritos. These crunchy corn chips are the star of our dish, adding a delightful texture and flavor. Next, grab some ground beef. This will be the hearty base of our Fritos Pie. You'll also need an onion and a few cloves of garlic. These aromatics will add depth and richness to our dish, and don't forget a can of diced tomatoes. They bring a nice acidity and juiciness to the mix. For spices, we'll be using chili powder and cumin. These spices will give our dish a warm, earthy flavor with a bit of a kick. Feel free to adjust the amounts to suit your taste. And of course, you'll need your favorite shredded cheese. Cheese is the crowning glory of this dish, melting into a gooey, delicious topping. See? Simple stuff. Now let's get cooking. Start by browning your ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat. This step is crucial as it develops the flavor of the meat. Make sure to break it up into small pieces as it cooks. Once it's nicely browned, drain any excess grease to keep our dish from being too oily. Add in your chopped onion and garlic and cook until softened. This will take about 5 minutes. The onion should become translucent and the garlic should be fragrant. This step builds the foundation of flavors for our dish. Next, stir in the diced tomatoes, chili powder, cumin, and a pinch of salt and pepper. The tomatoes will add moisture and acidity, while the spices will infuse the mixture with warmth and depth. Stir everything together until well combined. Bring the mixture to a simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. This simmering time is essential. as it allows the spices to bloom and the ingredients to harmonize. While the beef mixture is simmering, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheating ensures that your oven is at the right temperature when you're ready to bake, which helps in cooking the dish evenly. Now, here comes the fun part. This is where we start assembling our Fritos pie. It's a bit like building a delicious, savory puzzle. Grab your Fritos and layer them in a greased baking dish. Make sure to spread them out evenly to create a nice base for our pie. The Fritos will soak up some of the delicious juices from the beef mixture, becoming even more flavorful. Pour the hot beef mixture over the Fritos, making sure to spread it evenly. This ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. The beef mixture should cover the Fritos completely. Sprinkle generously with your shredded cheese. Don't be shy with the cheese. It will melt into a gooey, delicious topping that ties the whole dish together. And now, into the oven it goes. Baking will meld all the flavors together and give the cheese a chance to melt and become bubbly. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Keep an eye on it to make sure the cheese doesn't burn. The goal is a golden, bubbly top. And voila! Your Fritos pie masterpiece is ready to be devoured. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving to avoid burning your mouth. Enjoy this easy, delicious dish with family and friends. It's sure to be a hit. Section 4, Budget Bites. Delicious doesn't mean expensive. One of the things I love most about this recipe is that it's incredibly budget-friendly. We all know how expensive groceries can be these days, so finding recipes that won't break the bank is a must. This Fritos pie uses pantry staples and affordable ingredients that you probably already have on hand. Ground beef, canned tomatoes, spices. These are all things that are easy on the wallet and last a long time in your pantry. And the best part, even though it's budget-friendly, it tastes like $1,000,000. You don't have to sacrifice flavor for affordability. This dish proves that you can have it all. So, next time you're on a tight budget but craving something delicious and comforting, look no further than this Fritos pie recipe. It's a winner every time. Section 5. My grandma's secret, a pinch of love. Now I'm going to let you in on a little secret. My grandma always said that the most important ingredient in any recipe is love. And you know what? She was right. When you cook with love, it shows in the food. It's the extra care you put into chopping the vegetables, the way you stir the pot with a smile, and the anticipation you feel as the dish bakes in the oven. So as you're making this Fritos pie, remember to put your heart into it. Think about the people you're sharing it with and the joy it will bring them. Trust me, it makes all the difference. My grandma's words have always stuck with me, and I try to bring that same love and passion to everything I cook. It's what makes food so special. So, Section 6, spice it up, make it your own. One of the best things about this Fritos pie recipe is that it's incredibly versatile. You can easily customize it to your liking and dietary needs. Feeling adventurous? Add some chopped jalapenos to the beef mixture for an extra kick. Want to sneak in some extra veggies? Bell peppers, corn, or black beans would be delicious additions. Vegetarian? No problem. Simply swap the ground beef for your favorite plant-based protein like lentils or crumbled tofu. You can also use vegetable broth instead of beef broth for a vegetarian-friendly version. And let's not forget about the toppings. Get creative and let your imagination run wild. Sour cream, guacamole, salsa, chopped onions, cilantro, the possibilities are endless. Section 7, Fritos Pie Fiesta, your new go-to meal. There you have it, folks. My quick and easy Fritos pie recipe, a Southern classic with a Rachel Ray twist. This dish is not just a meal, it's an experience. Imagine the crunch of the Fritos, the savory meat, and the melted cheese all coming together in one bite. It's the perfect meal for busy weeknights, game day gatherings, or anytime you're craving something comforting and delicious. Whether you're hosting a party or just need a quick dinner solution, Fritos Pie has got you covered. It's a dish that brings people together, creating moments of joy and laughter. This recipe is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Everyone from kids to adults will love it. The combination of flavors and textures is simply irresistible. Plus, it's a great way to get everyone involved in the kitchen, making it a fun family activity. It's simple to make, budget-friendly, and bursting with flavor. You don't need to be a gourmet chef to whip up this dish. With just a few ingredients and minimal effort, you can create something truly special. And the best part? It's easy on the wallet, making it perfect for families on a budget. Plus, it's incredibly versatile, so you can customize it to your liking. Add your favorite toppings, switch up the protein, or even make it vegetarian. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to get creative and make it your own. So, ditch the takeout menus and give this recipe a try. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy a healthier homemade meal. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and make healthier choices for you and your family. Trust me, once you taste the cheesy, crunchy, savory goodness of this Fritos pie, it'll become a regular in your weekly meal rotation. It's a dish that satisfies all your cravings and leaves you feeling happy and full. Remember, cooking should be fun and stress-free. Don't worry about making it perfect, just enjoy the process. Cooking is a way to express yourself and show love to those around you. So, put on your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's get cooking. There's nothing more rewarding than creating a delicious meal from scratch. It's a way to unwind, be creative, and nourish your body and soul. And most importantly, don't forget to add a pinch of love. It's the secret ingredient that makes all the difference. Cooking with love and care transforms a simple dish into something extraordinary. So gather your loved ones, share the joy of cooking, and create beautiful memories together.